Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to write and draft documents with Copilot. Microsoft Copilot can help you create professional documents in minutes by generating drafts, expanding ideas, rewriting content, and improving writing quality. Whether you are creating reports, proposals, business plans, meeting summaries, or study materials, Copilot can significantly reduce the time spent writing. So, how to do it? First of all, open the Microsoft Word, as we will do right now. So launch the Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one. If you have Microsoft 365 Copilot, you will see the Copilot button in the toolbar right in the top. So as for me, I don't have it at the moment, but for you guys, you will have it. Now, to get it for those who didn't have one, you simply have to go to Microsoft 365 and go to Copilot and then click on Compare Plans, and you should get it from here or click on Buy Microsoft 365. So one of these options. Once you get it, you simply have to click on Buy Now and you will be able to use it. So once you go back to Microsoft Word, you will be able to see it right here. So click on it and then start with a prompt. Click the Copilot and describe the document you want to create. Simply, for example, write a project proposal for a software development project, create a business plan for a new coffee shop, draft a monthly financial report, write training guide for new employees. So just write any prompt you have in mind. Copilot will generate then a first draft based on your instructions. Then you can provide more context. So for example, the more details you give, the better the result. So instead of write a report about cybersecurity, you could say write a 1,500 word cybersecurity report for small business owners explaining common threats and prevention strategies. Providing the audience purpose and desired length helps Copilot create more relevant content to what your idea wants. And just like that, you will be able to do it. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye.